Hi, I'm 𝗀𝗶𝗰𝗵, head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi. I've received some requests for a video of the Bruce Frantzis 27 move Wu style short form mirror image. When we first learn it, we start to the right, mirror image is going to the left. And in my training with Master Bruce Frantzis, his instruction was do the form to the right for 3 years, stabilize it, and then begin to practice it to the left. So this is intended for those that have stabilized the form to the right. In my videos and in teaching on Zoom, I do most of my teaching mirror image that's facing the camera. But for purposes of this video, I'm going to turn around, and that's assuming that you're familiar with the short form and can follow me from that perspective. So I will turn around. Join me, please. Starting out in neutral posture. 27 move short form mirror image. Ready, begin. Commencement, pretty straightforward. Now we have our first weight shift, and we shift weight to the left. Step forward with the right. Take the right pulse, play the lute. Now turn your hips into your weighted leg. Right hand goes wrist to wrist. Shift weight, left hand goes wrist to fingers, then turn. Step with your left. Take your left pulse, double hand palm. Rotate out, left hand's in front. Rotate in, left hand's on the bottom. You. Then turn your hips straight ahead, shift weight, bend. Bottom palm turns over, tuck, unfold the hands. G, the left hand's in front, knuckles out. Right hand is taking the left pulse. Then shift weight back, rotate out, rotate in, shift weight, chop with the left, finish with the left palm, on. Then single whip. Turn your hips into your left leg. Left hand makes a beak hand, right hand turns over. Turn your hips away from the weighted leg, extend that structure, then the hands separate. Turning your hips, whipping with the right, step, shift weight, chop, finish, single whip. Shoulder stroke sequence. Shift weight to the right. Turn your hips, bend, stretch. Turn your hips into the right leg. Hold the ball. Turn your hips straight ahead. Step. Shift weight forward. Turn hips once, twice. Single shoulder stroke. Turn your hips straight ahead. Bend. Tuck. Left hand's on the bottom. So step up with the right. Shift weight. One hand down, one hand up. Shift weight. Turn your hips. Stretch. White crane spreads wings. Now sink into your left leg. Turn your hips straight ahead. Arm and hands become parallel here. Shift weight, turn your hips, rise up the right. Finish even weighted top of the circle. Now we have turn and brush knee. So shift weight to your left, turn your hips to the left leg. Position the hands, left hand's here down by the hip, right hand's up by the throat. Now turn, one hand down, one hand up, step with the right. Shift weight, bend, adjust the back foot, tuck, finish. Now we have two stepping forward brush knees, which are familiar in the short form. You train that move on both sides. First, stepping forward brush knee. Second, step forward brush knee. And you end up with the left hand in front. So mirror image, needle at the C bottom. So shift weight back. Left hand wraps to the heart. Retract the right foot to a cat stance. Then stretch up. Left hand goes up. Sit back down. Left hand circles in and down as the right hand circles up, out and up. And then finish with the left hand piercing down. Then finger pierce, step. Shift weight bend, take the left pulse. Tuck, poke. Fan through the back. Weighted pivot on your right. Left hand turns over. The hands separate. Step with the left. Small chop with the right. And finish, even weighted. Turn and chop down with fist. Here we go. Shift weight to your left. Turn your hips. Extend the arms. Now it's the left hand that's going to circle down. So shift weight to the right, turn your hips, left hand circles down, then turn, step, left hand makes a loose fist, circles up, then shift weight, bend, left hand chops down, tuck as the right arm extends out. Step forward, parrying punch. Step with the right, turn your hips, deflect with the right, turn your hips straight ahead, chop with the right, turn your hips, extend the right arm, turn your hips straight ahead, shift weight, bend, punch comes out, tuck, finish the punch, punching with the left. Apparent close up. And at this point, the moves again become more symmetrical, stepping through the pull down. So for most, this is more familiar territory. Then pivot on the unweighted foot, shift weight, turn your hips, wrap, step up, and then finish. Conclusion. All right, that's a breakdown of the short form mirror image. What I'd like to do is do that one more time with a little more flow. Let's give that a whirl. Ready, begin. Commencement. Shift weight to the left, play the loot. Step with the right, take the right pulse. Turn, wrist to wrist. Shift weight, wrist to fingers. Turn, step with the right. Take the correction, step with the left. Take the left pulse. Then rotate out. Rotate in, left hand's on the bottom. Turn your hips straight ahead, shift weight, bend, tuck. Left hand's in front, shift weight back. Rotate out. Rotate in, shift weight. Finish with the left palm, single whip. Turn your hips into the left leg. Left hand makes a beak hand, right hand turns over. Turn your hips away from the weighted leg. Whip, chop, finish, even weighted. Shoulder stroke sequence. Shift weight to the right. Turn your hips, bend, stretch. Turn your hips, hold the ball. Turn, step with the left. Shift weight forward. Turn your hips once, twice. Turn your hips straight ahead. Bend, tuck. Step up. Shift weight, one hand down, one hand up. Shift weight to the left. Stretch. White crane spreads wings. Now sink into the left leg. Turn the hips straight ahead. Shift weight to the right. Turn your hips. Rise up the right side. Finish top of the circle, even weighted. Turn and brush knees. Shift weight to your left. Turn your hips to the left. Now turn. Step. Bend. Tuck. 2-step forward, brush knees. Ending with the left hand forward. Knee at the C bottom. Left hand wraps to center line. Left hand stretches up. Circles back in and down. And extends toward the floor. Finger pierce. Take your left pulse. Poke with the left hand. Fan through the back. Pivot. Step with the left. Chop to the right. And then finish. Even weighted. Turn and chop down with fist. Shift weight to your left. Shift weight to the right. Left hand circles down, makes a loose fist, and circles up. You turn and step, bending, chopping down, tuck, striking with the right palm, then parrying punch, step with the right, deflect with the right, chop with the right, extend the right arm, shift weight, bend, punch comes out with the left, finish your punch. Parent close up, step through for pull down. Wrap, step up, and finish. All right, there you go, a short form mirror image. If you found that helpful or have some questions, please drop a comment or question in the comments below. I'll read and respond to all of them. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.